Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the LCM calculation using GCD in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here I double click in Turbo C++ editor and then now yes that open and take new file, and here our goal, write a program to find LCM of any two integer number using GCD. Yes, so in my YouTube channel, I take both GCD and LCM in previous three video lecture, and now I take as a four LCM again. That is for using the formula GCD. So first in your mind question, what is a LCM and what is a GCD? Yes, I give the full form. So that is a list common, yes, and that is a multiple, yes, and GD, that is a greatest common, yes, common uh, divisor. So divisor, yes. So already I give one example of an GCD, also known as a uh, HCF, highest common factor. Yes, so you can watch that both video I can take in my YouTube channel. So here I give just example. So first that is a we can like find just find like 3 and 4. So that is a 12 answer for LCM. So least common multiple, or we can say that lowest common multiple. So and smallest non-zero common multiple, that is also known as. So how that find out? So you can multiply 3 and 4 and find out that is a common multiple. So you can watch my previous video lecture that I give explain discrete example, and then we can use the formula greatest common divisor. So like we can find, so 4 and 8, yes, is our uh, GCD. So that is a 4. Yes, that is our 4 answer. So both video you can watch and you can get the perfectly idea. So here I directly use LCM find in based on the GCD. So find the LCM of any two, yes, here two integer numbers, yes, using GCD. So that is a how possibility. So let us I start my coding directly, and if you detail uh, what is a LCM, what is a GCD with examples, so you can watch my three previously video lecture, then you can get proper idea. Now I directly here start as new logic based on the LCM and find LCM find out based on the GCD, greatest common divisor or highest common factor. That GCD also known as a, here we can use as a OR, and that is a HCF, highest common factor. Yes, so you can watch both video. So now we can start our header file and Onio and standard input output and console input output and void main, and we can declare, yes, here there are four integer variable. So here we can use, in previously three video lecture I use as a while loop, but here we can use as a for loop. So that is a new thing. So x and y, or you can take n1 and n2, and then you can LCM, that is our variable. So now I can scan this, and first we can scan. So declaration is complete. Now enter any two integer, so integer numbers, yes, and both scan at the same time. So we can say that percentage d, again percentage d, ampersand x and ampersand y. And if user enter negative, so what to do? So here we can convert negative to positive using conditional operator. So x colon minus x, so minus minus plus. So if user enter negative, so that convert in positive. Conditional operator also known as a ternary operator. So minus one, same process, and now we can take as a for loop. So yes, so we can take as for loop. So I equal to we can say that 1 not 0. Yes, and then I less than equal to x and logical and operator, and I less than equal to y, and then I plus plus. So let us check how that possibility. And again that we can take one if condition. So here we can start the GCD, and that is a greatest common divisor. So x and y like 4 and 8. So 4 is a that is a common divisor of both 4 and 8. So that is a, we can say that highest common factor. So that is a find out. So here we can say that x modulo I, and that is equal to 0. And again I use AND operator in if condition and for loop. Both we have to use as a logical AND operator. Again same process, y that is modulo I. So we can say that yes, here other one variable, and that is a GCD, yes, and LCD. So here not 4 but 5 variable we have to use. So GCD base we have to find the LCM. Yes, so that for loop, yes, here new logic for you. GCD you can also find out without, and that means while loop you can also use, and for loop you can also use. So that is a common divisor, and it is a highest. So like I 4 and 8. So 4 is a highest. That is our common. That is highest common divisor. And now based on LCM, that is our formula. So that I use that formula, x multiply y and divide by GCD. Yes, that is a formula. And now we can print. Yes, so very easy, simple. I develop logic LCM. Yes, of two integer number is, or we can, yes, integer number. Yes, so print type percentage d and percentage d, and is, that is a what a LCM. So three variable we have to print. So that is a x and y and LCM. Yes, that finish. So very short and very interesting session, I think. So how it possibility? I first save, and here we can say that LCM base, yes, here based on GCD, yes, that test common divisor, and LCM means the least common multiple. So dot C, so that is a perfectly. So I compile. Yes, so what here? Yes, here. So that is a comma, not dot. So that is a typing mistake, no any error. And now I give like we can say that here 3 and 4. So that is a we can say that 12 answer. Yes, perfectly. So how we can find out? So here in my previously I already I give the answer 3 and 4, that is 12. That is a least common multiple, and that is a based on the GCD, greatest common divisor. So here we can use as a while loop. So how that possibility? So let us check. I take as a watch window. So here I take as watch, so you can understand an output window, and that our last output in the watch window, output window, a x, then y, and then we can say that the GCD, yes, and then based on LCM, yes, and I, yes, that is our iteration. So five variable I use in this logic. I press F7 key, yes, that clears the screen. Our output window is blank. Then enter any two integer number. If user, yes, I scan negative, so -3 and -4. So how that convert? Yes, that is ternary conditional operator. Conditional operator known in C is a ternary operator. So let us check. I press F7. So yes, look in the watch window that -3 plus minus minus, that plus x assigned to same x and y. Yes, both are positive. So I give the message enter any two integer. Other you cannot take these two statement. You can take enter any two positive integer number. That type of message. If user negative number, so we can convert in positive. So you can write these two lines. So there is no any worry, means no any problem. Now I assign to 1, yes, directly start 1, and x modulo I equal to 0, and operator y modulo I, then remainder 0. So then GCD is common that I. So let us check that common. So yes, here I think that is a, if condition is a, you can look here, that is 1. So 1 is a both remainder 0, yes, definitely. So GCD assigned to I is now 1. So 1 is assigned to GCD, yes. You can look in the watch window. Now again, that I plus plus, so I is now 2, but that not the possibility, means that is a not common both. So I modulo, that is a t, so that is not remainder 0, and operator. So 1 is false if condition, so that not check again this part. So that is a I plus plus, so I is 3. Now 3 modulo 3, that is a remainder 0, and 3, yes, so we can say that I, so 4, yes, that one again condition is false. Now I plus plus, so here we can say that I less than x, but I is now, you can watch in the I is 4 and x is, so both condition is true, but here for loop is false. So directly come out in this output, that logic means LCM find. So x multiply y. So x is 3 and y is 4. So 12 and divide by GCD. GCD is 1. So that is the answer is 12. Yes, very interesting. So here based on the uh, GCD, we can find the LCM. So yes, that is very interesting. So very perfect our formula. That is a formula I cannot develop, but that is a in maths that you can see. So again, I can watch window and take new to, like we can take like 5 and 7, and I give negative, yes, minus 5 and minus 7. So look now again I start the watch window. So yes, both are converting positive. Yes, minus minus 5 plus and 7. Yes. So now I again 1 I less than x and I less than y. Both condition true, then while loop is continue. So yes, one time that condition for loop is true if condition is true, because I is 1. So any number that modulo remainder 0. Yes, here 5 and 7, that GCD is a 1. So yes, look now again continue I plus plus, so 2, but x is 5, so that is not remainder 0, because 2 divided by 5, so 2.5, that's not a possibility. So I plus plus, so 3, yes, that's not possible. Again 4 I plus plus, that I is increment, but you can look now our condition I less than I x, so x is a 4, so condition is true. So now yes, last, yes, now less than or equal to I is 5 and x is 5, less than or equal to, so one time yes, I plus plus, but yes, condition, yes, not true if condition is not true. So now I plus plus, so 6, so this condition is false. I less than x, but I is 6 and x is 5, so that condition is false. And now x multiply y, so 5 multiply 35 and divide by divisor GCD 1, so 35, that is our answer. You can watch in my previous LCM how without GCD. Yes, that also I upload my YouTube channel one video lecture. So how you can find 5 and 7, that is 35, that is a least common multiple. Okay, so that is a perfect. I can 2 time taking watch window, and that is very short and interesting. So yes, that is a LCM based on GCD. So you cannot understand. I deep under a description in my 2 previous videos, so you can understand this logic very interesting or very easily. So here we can just GCD is a, I think always in 1, and that is x multiply y and divide by 1, that is same. So that is a LCM. So yes, that is observation. That is not always in true. So yes, here LCM based on GCD. So yes, I think you can understand what is LCM and GCD. If you not understand, then you can watch my 3 video lecture in YouTube channel, and then take a recommendation to you. Then I watch this logic, so you can get the perfect idea. So now I close this file and watch an output window and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C. Galakini, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and any doubt for regarding this definition, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer to you. Thanks again and Hare Krishna.